Hey there, McKenna here from the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to my newest listing, 280 Malaga Road. Let's check it out. So there's tons of renovations to talk about in this property, but I'm going to go through the 5 key aspects of this house that make it so unique. Now we're going to go over the 5 key features that this home boasts. We're going to talk about the separate entrance, 2 kitchens, extra pantry space, quartz countertops, and backyard double door access. Let's go. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Number 4. Bedroom number 5. Now let's check out the backyard. We've got a detached garage, tons of room for activities back here, and we've got 7 car parking in the driveway. What more can you want? Investors, welcome to your new investment.